In this lesson, you are going to have to find the volume of given spheres. And the types of questions you will see are when you're listed the dimensions, if you're given a picture with dimensions, or the word problems. Again, the same process you would use for all three types of questions. So for this example, it might tell you that the radius of the sphere is 18 centimeters. Okay? You might also be given a picture. Something like this. Ignore my drawing skills. This is a sphere, and it gives you the radius halfway across the center of the circle, 18 centimeters again. And in the directions, it will tell you that you're using 3.14 for pi. So to attack a question like this, you are going to have to use the volume of a sphere formula, which is volume equals 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Okay, so now we can plug in everything that we know. We are leaving v, because that is what we are solving for. We're solving for volume, so v equals 4/3 times 3.14 for pi times 18 cubed. Okay, this is the radius, again from our picture, again from our dimension listed, 18 cubed, or 18 to the third power. That is a little 3. And if you multiply this all together, make sure you're careful when plugging in your fraction of 4/3, and be careful when you are typing in your 18 to the third power or cubed. Make sure that 18 is the only thing that is cubed when you type that in. So when you multiply this all together, you will get a final answer of the volume equaling 24,416.64 centimeters cubed. Again, volume, the unit is always cubed. So for all three types of questions in this lesson, you will be using the same process, same formula. Be careful of that 4/3, and make sure you're following directions. Always use 3.14 for pi.